Welcome to Amazing Edits YouTube channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use the basic PicsArt tools. Alright, so make sure you download the PicsArt tools using Google or on Play Store. Alright, so you click on the PicsArt app, then click on the plus, and then you go to create new. So these are some of the basic PicsArt tools here. PicsArt Photo Studio is one of the best image editing apps for Android devices because it comes with many tools which allows you to bring your images to life by editing them and doing a lot of things. Alright, so I'm just gonna run you through the basic tools, and then we move on to changing of background and adding text to photos using PicsArt. So this icon here helps you to change the background where you work on. So click on this place, and then if you want to change the color, here we have white. If you want to change color, click here, and then you see different kind of colors. So all you have to just select the ones you need. Right, let's use black. Then you click on the tick icon. You can see the background has changed. So then you can reduce the opacity of the background through the side like this, or this way. Let's leave it this way. Alright, these icons enables you to add stickers or photos of your choice to what you are doing. Alright, let's click this place. You can see my pics, my gallery. You can select any one of your choice and then do whatever you want. So this icon here enables you to use different kind of shapes. Like this icon here is perfect for logo designing, creative designing of brands, logos, adverts, and all that kind of things. So here you can pick any one of your choice like this. You can pick this, or you pick this, or you pick this. Any shape of your choice. Any shape of your choice. You can also, this icon here increases the thickness or decreases the thickness, and then this one increases the opacity. You can see it right there. And then you can also decide the colors to be filled or stroke, any one of your choice. Alright, and then this text icon enables you to write anything you want on your screen, and then you select any font of your choice. Alright, and then this icon here is the cleaner. It cleans anything you write. Alright, let's take for an example. And also this icon is used to clean, is used to write. Okay, let's say I write something. Alright, let's here. This icon is used to change the color of your font. Let's say I click white, and then I write something like this. Then this cleaning icon is used to erase. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how to write on images. So let's click on this icon, select an image. Let me say few, then let's use a rectangle like this. To bring out the rectangle, just slide down. Yeah, slide down. Alright, I guess this size is okay. Then yeah, click this place, then click on edit image. From here you can add you can see tools, you can do anything you like here. So want to add tests, so you click on tests. All right, let me say it's already, let me say amazing edits, amazing edits. Then click on the tick icon. You can see right here, you can change the font from this place, change the font, change any font of your choice. So let's, you can change any font of your choice this way. All right, I like this one, so let's make use of this one. You can see, you can also, this icon is used to change the color of your font. White, any color of your choice, any color, any color, any color. And then the stroke, let me say white strokes. Can reduce it and increase it. Then the opacity of your color, so anyone. Yes, we are okay with this. And then also, if you want to if you want this your text to be in another background, like in a better background, you also have the add photo icon right here, the add photo icon. So you can click on it, then it opens your gallery. Check. All right, let me for a plain background. All right, let me say this one. Okay, this one. So let's click on this one, then you add, then you zoom it to cover your text. Yeah, like this. Exactly. Then click on blend. Blend is used to, yeah, exactly like this. So you can see the background, the text is now out. All right, so see amazing edit. So you can add several kinds of fonts of your choice. Remember, this is just a video. This app can be used to do a lot of things, way more than all this. So let's take, for instance, we want to create a logo using using one of these shapes here. All right, using one of these shape here. Okay, let's first of all, let's check let's change the background. So this is black, yeah, black. All right, so we have a black background. And then to change the color of your shapes, come here, then let me say white. Yeah, so we have white shapes right now. All right, so click on white, then field, okay. Yeah, let me use stroke. Yeah, stroke is better. All right, so click here, then we draw lines to bring out your shape just this way. Adjust to get the best you can depending on your choice. So I guess it's okay for me. All right, so I have my shape right here. So now, so I go get another shape depending on what I want to design. smaller one. Okay, and I pick this, then I draw right here. Remember, PicsArt can do a lot way more than this, and I can also do a lot way more than just a video. So you draw to get your best fits. Yeah, this way. So something like this. Then let me see, I want to add a pics here. So I go to photo icon, click on. Now so for a pics to use. All right. Okay. Okay, let's use this one. So I have my piece right here. I guess this is okay. Then I click this. Here you can increase. Remember, you can use any shape of your choice depending on what you wanna design. So this is just an illustration, not a real art. It's an illustration of what you can do with this art. So I want it big, so I have something like this one here, like this. Okay, let's leave it this way or this way. Yeah, this way. All right, so just save, edit the image. Yeah, so you can add any text of your choice. Remember, you can put designs on the colors, designs in the inner circle, and or anything you want. You can just do it. So what just this is just an example. Okay, let me see. Amazing. All right, amazing. Now I check for fonts, a nice font to use. A nice font to use. All right, this now. No. Something like this is good. Well, let me use another color. I check for color. This amazing. Right. So let's use this color. So I can go for the thickness. I check. I can change the color to white or this color. Then I can increase it or decrease it. So here we go. So I can also change the opacity of the color, reducing. Now, wow, this is cool. So I just tick him on here. Then I want to add the next one. I go to tests, right? Edits. Edits. All right. So change the font to any font of my choice. Any font of my choice. Any size of my choice. Any color of my choice. Let me see, red, blue, any color. Yeah, something like this. So you have your logo. Remember, this is just an illustration, not a real artwork. I can do away with more than this. I can do a lot better than this. So my next tutorial will be bringing up a real design and further explanations on what you can do using the PicsArt. It's one of the best app so far. You can use it to add text to your photos, can use it to do a dispersion, play with effective photo effects, fun with stickers. You can create brand designs, logos, adverts, shape creativity with shape marks, use the blur effect in the background. So Thank you for watching.